Today we will be making a hearty vegetable and smoked sausage tomato sauce. First, let's prep our ingredients. We will need chopped garlic and yellow onion, green and red peppers chopped. I'm using canned and fresh tomatoes, but just canned is fine. And our smoked sausage. Whoops. Today I'm using a chicken sausage. Over medium heat, add a small amount of olive oil to your pan and add your onion, garlic, and peppers. Cover and cook until onions have begun to sweat and your garlic is beginning to brown. Once your garlic is browning and everything has become nice and juicy, add in your sausage. Turn your heat to high and cook until sausage begins to brown as well. Now let's add some spices to get that perfect flavor. Red pepper flakes for heat, some savory oregano, fresh ground salt will do nicely. Once sausage has taken on some color, add in your tomatoes. Cover and simmer for at least 20 minutes. This sauce will taste even better the longer you let the flavors come together. Make sure you put this on a pasta that can hold up to this hearty sauce, like this curly fusilli I'm using. Now let's take a taste test. Delicious.